A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say, enough time when you forget your healing, when you forget your deliverance, people are stand up in your way. And you have to make up your mind, to press through and not give up and exercise for your faith. To believe, say, God will heal you. To believe, say, God will deliver you. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends them. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is the best time. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus, as according to Mark chapter 5, from verse 21 to verse 43. After that, Jesus go back across Lake Galilee in a one boat. When he reached, one big crowd gathered up around him on the seaside. Then one man named Jairus, who did in charge of one of the Jew them church, come which part Jesus did there. When him see him go down upon him knee in front of him. Him beg Jesus, do, my little daughter, I got dead. Do, me I beg you, come put your hand upon her and she will get better and live. So Jesus go with him. One big crowd go with him too. And them did a press hard against Jesus. One woman we did a suffer did in a crowd. For 12 years, she couldn't have bleed. She go a whole heap of doctor, but none of them couldn't help her. She spend half all her money on doctor bill. And instead of she get better, she gonna get worse. The woman did hear what people did say about Jesus. So she come up back at him in a crowd and touch him close. Cause she did say to herself, say, if me could have just touch him close, me would have get better. When she touch him, she tap bleed same time. And she feel in her body, say she get better. Same time, Jesus know, say the power where him have did make somebody better. So him turn round in a crowd and did a ask, who touch my clothes? Him follower them said to him, say, you know see the crowd of people where press against you. So how you fi ask, who touch you? But Jesus turned round and still a look to see who did touch him. The woman did afraid and a tremble because she know what did happen to her. So she drop herself at him foot and tell him everything. So Jesus said to her, say, daughter, cause you believe in me, you're all right now. Go on with peace in your heart, cause you're better now. Jesus did still attack when some people from Jairus' yard come to Jairus, the head for the Jew them church. Them tell him, say, a girl picnic dead. What make you still a bother the teacher? But Jesus never paid them no mind. Him said to the head for the Jew them church, nobody afraid, just believe. Jesus never make nobody go with him. Uncle Peter, James, and James' brother, John. When they reach Jairus' yard, he see the people them and make one bag of noise and I put on one piece of loud bawling. When Jesus go in, him said to them, say, when I bawl and I go and suffer, the picnic not dead, asleep, she asleep. And them start laugh after him. But Jesus sent everybody out of the house. Then him take the little girl mother and father and him 3 follower them and go in a room where the little girl did there. Then Jesus take time, hold the little girl on and said to her, say, Talita, come. That mean, little girl, get up. The little girl get up same time and start walk around. She had about 12-year-old. Them we see what happen did shock so till. But Jesus ordered them trang. No fi tell nobody what happen. Then him tell them figure something for yam. And God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.